Good morning. My name is Melissa, and I'm here to do my first unboxing. I recently received an Osoeri bird feeder with camera, and I'm going to unbox it and take you along with me. Let's see what we have here. Here's our instruction manual, and so I'll be digging into it shortly. And in here, let's see what I have. This box. This contains my solar panel. And from what I understand, this solar panel will be connected to my bird feeder camera so that it will charge the bird feeder camera. Also in this box, it looks like I have a hummingbird feeder. Yes, it's a little hummingbird feeder. And I believe, according to what I've read, that will go on the bird feeder. Let's see what else is in here. Of course, we've got the charging cord with the solar panel, the mount here for the solar panel, hardware that will be used. And now, in this package, this is really neat. There are these little pointed plastic spears that, having trouble opening it. Difficult package. There we go. That these plastic spears go on the bird feeder for you to actually put fresh fruit on it. And we all know how birds, butterflies, all enjoy fresh fruit. And then here we've got a strap. I'm not exactly sure what this strap is for, but I will be reading up on it and finding out. There are also tools that have come with the package. Put together our bird feeder with the tools, and then also a charging cord. I also found, and we want to be really careful here not to miss this item. You'll notice that right down here is another item that I nearly missed, and that's going to be important because that's the antenna for Wi-Fi. And we definitely want that because I want to be able to see our sweet little birds as they are eating from the bird feeder. And so I'll need that antenna to be plugged in so that I get reception to my phone. On to the next item. Let's pull this out. This appears to be the roof of the bird feeder, and it has a cute little chimney here. See? And so I think I can take the chimney top off to fill my bird feeder, or I can actually, according to what I had seen previously in information, I can lift this up once it's on the bird feeder to be used to fill up the bird feeder. The next item, let's see, shall I go in here? More packing. And, what have we got here? Let me see. What is this? This is my base where everything will be attached. And there's even a place here for me to put it on a pole if I want to. But I will probably be mounting this to a wall. So this is the way that this is here. And let's go. And here it is, the bird feeder and the camera. This is what I've been waiting for. This is going to be awesome. And so you will notice that the camera sits encased in plastic so that it doesn't get damaged by the bird feed. The bird feed will go in here in the top. come out right through here and fill up this area. I can take this off, and then the bird feed will be allowed to go right into there. The other part that I'm getting ready to pull out is where the birds will be sitting. And this is their perch. So it will attach right here. And now you'll see where I have the attachment. And then, of course, we've got the little roof here to put on. When you go to put this on, you're going to notice that there's a little spot here that this allows for this part to slide in. So I need to put one side on first, and then allow for the other side. And the way to do that is here, down, and then come up, just like so, and flip back. Now it's working. Now that we have the bird feeder together, as you see, there's the perch, here's the camera, and as I had shown you, you can lift the roof off to fill up and show you where the camera sits. In the back, this is where we're going to attach the antenna. So we'll go ahead and get that going here. Let me put this on. And so I'll be back in just a moment. I'm going to go ahead and get things started. We have now taken the bird feeder and connected it to the power supply, because that was what they recommended. They recommend that you actually connect and go ahead and power up your bird feeder from inside your house first by plugging it into your DC outlet. And so I have taken care of that. It is now yellow, and so that indicates that it's charging. After that finishes, the next step is going to be to put an SD card into my camera. And so what has happened is that there at the top on the outside of the camera, not in the casing where the bird feed goes, but on the outside, you can tilt the camera downward and you can reach the buttons and the little area where an SD card will go in. I'll show that to you after we finish charging it. I'll be back. Good afternoon. This is my wrap-up edition on my bird feeder. And so today we're going to look at how it is attached, and I will also show you about the camera and where you put the SD card in and have the ability to turn the camera off. So come with me. All right here, we're going to look in here at the camera, and let's see if I can position this a little better there. I'm going to pull the camera forward. You'll notice that I am going to pop this up, lift it open, and there it is. Now you can see where that all those parts are that you'll need for charging the camera, and then for the SD mini card, and then also the on and off switch. And we'll put this back on so that it's secure from weather. And reposition the camera since it's a little on the swivel there. And now it's right back in position so that it can watch the birds. And so you'll notice here, I chose it to mount it right here, mounted. I chose to mount it so you can see it easily enough while I'm here at the front porch, and it's accessible from the front porch to make it easier for me to lift and to put the feed in. You'll notice that I've already used a spear here to show where my banana that I put out earlier this morning is situated, and it looks like we've already had some critters eating at it. So I wish you lots of luck in putting your bird feeder together and putting it up. I know you're going to enjoy watching those birds. Thank you for taking the opportunity to watch this video. I hope you've enjoyed it and learned a little about the bird feeder. The bracket, you noticed, the used and could be mounted in a number of places. Also, the camera is in the plastic housing and is protected from weather in that. Have a great day, and thanks again for watching.